Hello, children of Grange from year 3 and year 4. This is actually part 2 of the head teacher assembly for the week of the 8th of November. And that was because I had to quickly go back and update all the celebrations of star pupils. So here we go. Who are the stars of the week? Well, wow, we have got gold. Nia, Lorik, George, Sophia Z, Fahad, Shahad, Stan, Aram, Kamani, Renessa, Anna Maria. Oh, just so happy to see all of you. Fantastic. Class champions, Stan and Matisse, Vispa, Aram, Justina and Picasso, Daniel, Sophia G, Nasser, Abigail, and Gloria in Clee, and in Beckham Donna, and Martina, and Sarah DJ, and Kamani in Ennis, and Renessa in Ennis, and Khalif in Ennis, Atif in Holmes, Justino in Holmes, and Avi in Holmes. Well done. Grange House of Water, you did really well. Look at your progress this week. Grange House of Fire, great progress. Grange House of Air, excellent progress. Grange House of Earth, well, look at you. I think you have done amazingly and lots of progress. So, all in all, we really improved this week on the week before. 20,517 CC power points, which is brilliant. Classy classes, Beckham class with over 1,000. Matisse class nearly at 1,500. But Holmes class for the second week in a row. Holy mackerel, look at that. 3,299 CC points. Unbelievable. Well done, Holmes class. Term target is 250,000. Look at us. We have so far, we're trying to get to 250,000 points. And so far, we're on about 175,000, which is just fantastic. We're powerful, we're kind, we're loved, we're Grange, and we made it. There's Rudolph coming for Christmas. Hand of the heart. And circling out towards our beautiful planet and everybody in it to make a contribution. That's our CC salute. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration and enjoy the learning ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.